I am inspired with the fact that I am a foreigner. Yes, شيء ayaan ahay. Ma dooran inaan noqdo laakiin Allah ayaa ii doortay. I believe that our homes are not defined by geography or one particular location, but by memories, events, and people and places that span the globe. Guryaheena laguma qeexo juqraafi ama meel gaar ah, laakiin waxaa lagu qeexaa xasuusta, dhacdooyinka, dadka iyo meelaha ku baahsan caalamka. I believe people in Somalia look at us as inspirations. They believe you have to go back with something. Yes. Someone serious can't go to foreign countries for luxury. We are here to work and make our homes a better place. Yes. The education in Uganda is a very good one. And I have to use that chance to make my home a better place. Waxaan nahay kaliya booqdayaasha halkan. Gurigayagu wuu noo baahan yahay. Ma jirto cid ka dhigi doonta mid ka wanaagsan annaga mooye. Marka waxay qiiro geliya sababtoo ah waxaan ahay ajnabi ku riyoonaya in dalkiis ula laabto wax qiimo geliya. Allah created us in different colors and different races and nations, languages, tribes, or even names because of a reason. And that's to know each other. Allah says in the Quran, يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. He says that, all people, we created you from male and female, and we made you races and tribes so that you may come to know each other. The best among you before Allah is the righteous one. Allah is knowing and aware. That waxaan idinka abuurnay lab iyo dadig, waxaan idinka yeelnay qowm iyo qabiil si aad isku ogaateen. Kan idinku khayran ee baagtiisa waa kan ugu toosan, eebbana waa ogyahay ogaada. I want to know how things really work and use that knowledge to help my brothers and sisters. I want to please Allah. So finally, in Somalia we said that iskaashato ma kufto. That means if people support each other, they do not fall. So together we can be inspired to achieve our goals. Thank you all. May we meet again.